Now these are my top 3 must-have testers for a hot tub. Now the first thing you want is you want a Taylor test kit. Now you can test your chlorine, your pH, your alkalinity, your hardness, and a second test kit you want is your TDS tester. Now I have a video on this, the TDS tester, and I'll link it at the end of this one here, okay? Now the third one you want is your phosphates, and it's great for hot tubs. Kids getting in there, shampoos, deodorants, makeups. You want to keep your phosphates down. And we also have a video on this, and I'll link it at the end of this video too. Okay, it's a must-have. And those are my 3 top everyday test kits for hot tubs. Now if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. We have videos out all the time, and we'll see you on the next one.